Sensor module replacement. First, power down the device. And remove the AC power. Remove the breath pods. Find the sensor module access cover on the bottom of the Levl device. Loosen and remove the access cover screw with a 1/8" Phillips head screwdriver. Remove access cover. Loosen and remove the sensor module screws with the provided 5/64" Allen wrench. Pinch the sensor module finger removal tab and remove sensor module. Insert the new sensor module. Gently tighten the sensor module screws with the provided 5/64" Allen wrench. Replace access cover and tighten screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Perform the power-up sequence and calibration process.